In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to log out or remove Samsung account. To remove your Samsung account, go to your Samsung phone settings app, and here just tap on your Samsung account name. And now scroll down. Here just tap on sign out. And now here you can see your Samsung account, and most of its data will be removed from this device if you remove your Samsung account. Now if you want, you can keep your contacts profile. So now to do that, just tap on check this box and just tap on sign out, and you have to verify it's you. So tap on send email, and you'll get email in your Gmail account in which Gmail account you used to create your Samsung accounts. Here's I'm opening the mail and just tapping on continue to verify my account. And here you can see I've successfully verified my ID. Now I'm going back to my settings, and as you can see, I've successfully removed or signed out my Samsung account. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.